I feel like most people aren't aware just how many European names are actually related to each other. Like, look at the Greek name Ioannis, coming from a Hebrew word meaning grace of God. This eventually becomes the Russian name Ivan. Whenever people pronounce that E as a full vowel, they tend to put a V after it, which is why Ioannis also gave us the Welsh name Evan. But Latin didn't do that. They kept the E as a Y sound, which gave us the names Johannes and Joanna. That split off the Italian name Giovanni, which turned the Y into a J and also added a V, and the Spanish name Juan, which just kind of lost the Y entirely. Then the Y becomes a J sound. Joanna becomes Joanna, and Johannes becomes Johnny, which loses its ending and becomes the English names John and Johnny. Later, John gets borrowed into Scottish as the name Ian and influences the development of the nickname Jack. Meanwhile, in Irish, the J sound becomes a Sh sound, so we get all the spellings of Sean because Irish is weird with spellings, and then we get the Northern Irish pronunciation of Shane, and then the same thing happens with Joanna, which becomes the name Siobhan. At the same time, in French, Joanna gives us the names Joan and Jeanne, and Jeanne gives us Jane and Jean, and Jane gives us Janice.